Police officers who recently flooded the streets of the corporate area are being commended in some quarters for their pleasant and professional interactions with members of the public, but a few are being questioned about the manner in which an unruly taxi operator was brought under control.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The motorist was held during the initiative by the police to send some 100 recruits on the streets to work alongside senior officers in a bid to clamp down on unruly behavior on the roads. In a 5-minute video, the young recruits were given first-hand experience of what the traffic police encountered during their daily activities on the road. But in the video, a team of police personnel is seen restraining a taxi operator after a collision involving him and a female driver, during which the team members encountered a hurdle as the taxi operator is seen resisting arrest to the point where a few of the recruits with their lack of experience on the roads appeared hesitant to restrain the burly and menacing man. Then in stepped a senior officer with loud instructions to the taxi operator to adhere to the police's directives and not to resist arrest. Still not yielding to the commands of the police, the taxi operator, bleeding from the right side of his face, appears to dare a policeman to put a pair of handcuffs on him. "Leg off of me, you idiot," the man is heard saying while flashing himself, trying to get out of the policeman's grasp. He attempts to hurl further comments of intimidation towards the police, but was stopped in his tracks by the most senior police officer on spot, who forcefully took hold of him and pulled his pepper spray in an attempt to further subdue the taximan, while instructing the recruits to handcuff the unruly operator.
Resist this now. Put on the
handcuff on him. Put on the handcuff on him. Who you think you be? Who you think you be? The senior officer declared in a very forceful language that are being viewed in some quarters as not necessarily being the best lesson for the young recruits. The video ends with the man finally following the police's instruction. Last week, senior officers from the police traffic division said the initiative to send approximately 100 recruits on the streets would be an ongoing initiative.
Resist this now. Put on the handcuff on him. Put on the handcuff on him. Ease yourself. Put on the handcuff on him. Ease yourself. Who you think of me? Who you think of me? Who you think of me? Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Look for me and tell her ease yourself.
Such you for come hype on it. Everything good, man.
See woman on the road and do things.
See woman on the road and do
me at the right away. Me at the right away.
Get up right away.
On the back of my car, you lick. And me at the right away, make up the road and you come out the road. You need to know your road.
You know it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
So peeps, you'd have seen the video clip, you'd have seen the taxi operator's reaction to the situation, you'd have seen how the senior police officer dealt with the situation, but some persons are saying that it wasn't the best example for the young recruits on the spot, and the language or the tone of the language used by the inspector of police was not what would have been required in that situation. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think that the police, the senior cop, overstepped his boundary or he was wrong in what he did. The truth of the matter is though, I was not present and this could not be the full-length video of the incident. You understand what I say? But based on what I would have seen, may I encourage Jamaicans, allow the police them when they are being professional, when they are going about the business of trying to reduce mayhem and chaos on the road or to reduce criminality and the crime rate in the country, allow them to do their job. Support them. I am sure that this situation did not have to escalate into what was reflected in the video. You understand what I mean? So big up all of the police officers who maintain a high level of professionalism and integrity and has the nation's best interest at the heart and are living to the pledge that they make to serve and protect law-abiding Jamaican citizens. I'm out. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.